Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix video not generating in PixVerse. So I just finished a video or a video generating right here, and it doesn't want to be generated. Alright, once I went into create, it won't create. Alright, so I went to the platform of PixVerse right here, and I found out that there are some conditions right here we need to respect. Alright, I have a problem, and there are no solution right here. Okay, as I told you, that is a solution, but they are just telling you what you need to respect right here. Alright, the problem is more than that. I have the status code right here. So, what is the solution? Okay, so there are two problems. The status, if the status is 7, and if also the status is 8. If it's 7, check if your prompt contains prohibited content and try a different prompt or modify the existing one. Alright, so some people posting a nudity pictures on the PixVerse generator, and they want it to be generated in a bad way. Also, alright, so the problem can be solved with another picture of something else. Alright, and also if the status is 8, it says our server encountered an error during generation, please try again. Alright, so you just need to refresh your page and try again. Alright, so there is another problem. If you wait for too long for the video to be generated and it doesn't work or doesn't generate, the solution is, please check if you are using the same AI trace ID for every request. Either check your internet connection. Anyways, that's it, guys. There is some other conditions, like the form of your image. It should be GPG or GPEG or PNG or WEBP. So I hope I helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.